Hello, hi, how are you? This is Peng Fei. Today I'm going to talk about how to make the landing page and save information and send to the Aweber or get response. For the Aweber, basically, if you want to create a landing page and send to Aweber, you need to create a form first. And so you do in your Aweber, and what you're going to do is going to the sign up form here. In the sign up form, you should be able to see a green button say create sign up form. Okay, just create that one and just choose sign up form. And once you do that, you should be able to see the information here. And of course, you have choice of putting all this different information you fill into the sign up form. But if you don't want to, all you have to do is just using the default one. And it depends on your form. Sometimes your form just need an email, so you don't need a name. You can remove the name here. And if you need the name and email, you want to have the, and just uh, just create a double click, and you will actually make the name back to here again. Then you can do is you can align the place, just make it name first, email, or vice versa. But in my case, just assuming I don't need the name, I just need the email, and that's it. And you just need to go to step 2, because step 1 pretty much just the field, and you can even create new field if you want. In the step 2, you have two important fields. First one is thank you, and the second one is already subscribed. What a thank you page means is after people enter their email address or first name email address, they're gonna see a page, and that page is thank you page. It could be a real thank you page, say thank you for subscribing and blah blah blah, click here to download your product. Or it could be a funnel, which is you try to promoting your product. So your thank you page could be something, a video presentation, so people can see the video and they can click to make the purchase. So either way, just make sure you enter the address of the URL of the page that you want your visitor to see after they enter the email. So you just put your URL here. Don't skip this part. If you skip this part after we create the form, then you put into the form. It's useless because after user click the form, it will do nothing if you actually don't give them anything. Okay, so by default is they have some basic thank you page version that Aweber give you, just basically say thank you, and you have a stay on current page option, which is will be very strange because after they enter the users their email address and they see nothing happened, kind of strange. And but we all want to do is put in the custom page. So I'm gonna put a custom page here. So I'm gonna do a db post. So I just copy and paste. Okay, suppose this is the presentation, video presentation I want to show people. And you can choose either to open a new window or to be in the same, just replace your Arduino squares page. Normally, you just replace your Arduino squares page because you don't need the user to see the Arduino because they already entered the email, so that job is done. Alright, then already subscribed, you can actually put the simple version, so Aweber is something you already subscribed, blah blah blah, which is not very good. Or you can provide custom page if they already subscribed. And what happened? In normal case, if you are promoting a video product, if they are already subscribed, you still want to send them to the same thank you page you have in previously. Why? Because they might be think about want to look at the video again, so they might be up in the game, type the email address, and guess what? You want them to show the presentation again because maybe this time they have time, they want to see the full video, and maybe they'll make a purchase. So this is normally the same with thank you page. But however, you can always create different page. I have affiliate marketer, they like to use a different URL for already subscribe, which is a different offer because they think if users they come to your website second times, they are maybe the first time maybe they don't like the offer, that's why they leave. And the second time they come here again, they might be looking for something new. So maybe you can promoting same product with different video because just like same product but different kind of package, and so like kind of new, or you can promote different product is either way. So once you do that, in my case it's gonna be the same with single page subscribe page. So I go to step number 3. They will ask you to save the phone, so now it's time to save your phone. And you have 3 options. Okay, install the phone, design install my phone, or have Aweber host the phone. If you actually have a custom script page, you always want to do this one and choose raw HTML version and disable the beautiful font style. You don't need the beautiful font style because we just need a link and your Aweber list here. So you have to just click once, okay? Then you can just copy that, Control C to copy your keyboard, or right click the mouse button, choose copy, either way. So once you do that, then go back to your script page, okay? So say for example your script page is this one. Just say 15. This one, I have so many of them. This is 1 billion with name. Okay, use this one. So this is my just one of my Swiss page. Okay, so I'm using Optimize Press, which is a landing page editor. Say for example, oh, this one I have first in the email, so that's not apply. Okay, but this concept is the same. What you do is, or using Instant Builder, whatever program, what you do is go to the form, the area. In the phone area, you always have submit button. I mean, sorry, the submit button is to submit to. Okay, phone you have optimize price. They have another. Some package they are using the submit button, and the submit button they actually ask you to enter, copy paste the form, which is copy from Aweber. But here optimize price using the form HTML, and so this is choosing the custom form, and just highlight and paste the data that you just copy from Aweber to here, and that's it. And now after you copy that, my case I don't have a name, so in my case I have a name, so I have names, so name is required, but in the original, the most of the case you don't need to have a name, you just have an email. So if you use optimized price, then you cannot uncheck this part. Okay, so this is very easy. I hope that give you the idea. So basically, if you are purchasing the software from me, I create a API page, and you are using the Aweber, I just need this code copy and paste to me, so I can actually put into the landing page for you. And so if user just click the submit, and what happens is they will send all the email to your email account. Okay, let's talk about another program which is I have as a get response, and you can do that for many different email programs. And I just gonna give you the 2 most popular. Okay, so basically, you don't have to using by the way, you don't have to have 2 email programs for your auto responding. I have 2 just because I have different product line, different business. That's why I also have a separate account here. But its concept is very similar. Okay, the same. In the form, you just keep the create form. Alright. In the create form, do the same thing. This building wizard or the whatever you can use in the wizard. Okay, it's easier. Okay, or you can just choosing whatever template, and you can same thing. Okay, so I just using the wizard, and from the wizard you could choose one of template. The style doesn't matter. Why? Because you just need the mechanism, the URL, the link. You don't need the style because the style is already built in here already, so you don't need the style. Okay, So let's go back to here. Okay, please wait. Alright, so same thing like Aweber, you could add all the different fields into a get response, and you can have both email and first name, and of course if you don't want them, and you can remove them. You don't need to have all of them. Okay, and this is so different, so many different kind of layout and style which is you can choose. So basically I'm just going to do this. Let me just post here. Okay, so basically you can well, you can do a lot of things. You can maybe just for demonstration purpose, you can add more field, and you can move them and kind of to adjust them to the space. If you're out of range, they will give you a red line. If you are in range, they give you the blue line. So you can kind of adjust them and make them like nice. Okay, and you can also do some style layout which you can deploy a little bit. And if you don't need those fields, you just highlight them and choose a trash, and you can just cancel that. And in my case I don't need the name, so that's it. Alright, so maybe you just need that and the submit form. You don't have to worry about the style and something because we're not showing you style. But if you do need have a style, you can design, make them look good, and that will actually whatever feature you need. So once you finish that, all you have to do is save and publish. Right? So once you save and publish, you just have the form, and now I give you a JavaScript script you can copy. Okay, or you can actually using my web designer will install my form, and then you can actually just save the form to your designer, or you can choose this one. Aweber will host my form. So most common is we just using the JavaScript code, and the JavaScript code just click the copy. Alright, and once you click copy and just go back to your optimized place, and all you have to do is just choose again. Alright, and all you have to do is just same thing, just copy paste your information over there. Okay, you'll be fine. And of course let me just you can also because JavaScript never actually using this. If this one doesn't work, try go to content and choose text editor. This is HTML. You can actually copy paste over here and see how that works for you. Okay, I have to test it, but this is actually just brief summary of how you using the Aweber or get response to copy the code you require to be able to send an email from the phone. Thank you so much for watching, and have a very blessed day. Bye bye.